Hunar Ki Hungar is basically emerging from a question which was bothering me. Because in the last few years, we have travelled with Hari Kapoor ji, with Virendra Uppal ji, with Dr. Shaktivel, with Premal Ludhani, the previous chairman and the vice chairman. Of course, Hari Kapoor ji has remained as the vice chairman. And every place offered a new experience. And often people asked, is this the only center, for example, ATDC Okhla? The people around that, they only know ATDC Okhla. When you go to Chitwara, they think that is ATDC. It struck me, it is something like the blind man and elephant story. Some of the people who touched part of the elephant thought that is a trunk. Somebody who held the leg thought it's a pillar. And the various interpretations were there. It was time to make a collective impact on the work which our 600 plus strong team is doing and bring to the attention of the industry. And sometimes the circumstances conspire in such a manner that the industry, which deserves to be lauded for this opportunity we are giving to the youth in the country, came together today to inaugurate this particular event. So that is why when I see the people on the dais, it is a real honor that the doyens of the industry who are going to be with the people who are joining this sector are all there today. And I really want to congratulate and thank you for your presence. The Ministry of Textiles, when it started the Integrated Skill Development Scheme in 2010, it was only for Tamil Nadu, originally the sanction. And when we thought that, what should we do in terms of a model, we were looking at speaking to Rajagopal, the then Industry Secretary of Tamil Nadu, who said that, look, this current perception of tailoring should be completely eliminated from the mind of the people. It should be positioned in a new manner. From that spark of thought, we created the new brand called Skills for Manufacturing of Apparel through Research and Training. Smart brand therefore became a magnet for the youth of the country to come and join again this industry. It is a testimony to the power of this industry that without much announcement today, almost 800 people have landed up to join the industry. It is possible that if we are able to really capture the imagination of this fashion ecosystem, the youth and the women and the disadvantaged sections in their own habitat can find appropriate employment opportunities. Along with Chairman, we were recently in a very drought-stricken rural area called Hindupur. It is on the border, not very far from Bangalore airport, about 104 kilometers. 83% of the people are poverty-stricken, and there is really no employment avenue. And now, with the moving in of export industry, 80 villages are transforming their lives. So the power of this particular industry to go to a village and create a ripple effect through an economic multiplier, giving employment to the youth and women and the family in entirely, is a great transformative power which this industry has. The fashion industry and apparel industry has an emotional quotient. A garment touches the body of the people. It is very much part of the DNA of Indian heritage. It is therefore important that the policy makers and the common people of the country understand the power of this industry going forward. I am glad that the Ministry of Textiles, through the Integrated Skill Development Scheme, has provided an avenue to create infrastructure. Most of the government schemes were not really supporting creation of infrastructure. There was really no money given for state-of-art technology. Through this program, I am happy to announce to you and inform you that ATDC has today a contemporary state-of-the-art infrastructure for training. Of course, there is scope for improvement all the time, but there is contemporary infrastructure available. We have trained almost 805 faculty members through our training of trainers. That means that capable people are within the system. There is a need for channelizing their energy, their aspirations in a creative manner. Hunar Ki Hungar is a step in that direction. is just a small step but a giant leap for ATDC. Mainly because it has brought the family together. It has brought the collective aspiration to another level. It is possible from this level to go to the level of achievements which are beckoning us. 150,000 people more in the next 3 years. Already the government has approved the scheme. So we hope, with the support of the industry, government, though today's Telangana issue and other issues in the parliament have made it difficult for Secretary Textiles and Minister and State Minister to come from here. But we always remember in the last textile conclave and other functions, they've always been here. So we consider that they have been present today because all the messages have come. So if you see the newspapers, all the publications, they have signed their messages and given. So they were intending to participate certainly in this function, and we thank all of them, and we hope with your participation and the diversity which is on display here, this particular edition of Hunar Ki Hunkar with the Hunar Ki Safar, I hope you will read this, the stories of the people whose tears are being wiped through this industry are captured to begin with. We hope every month or every 6 months we are able to bring out these issues and create that imagination and inspiration to other people. We do hope we continue to assist and support this industry, and we trust on your cooperation and support. Thank you very much.